Hello everyone, so welcome to Chada New Solution. So today let's talk about what is this usage limit, this user limit and contact limit under your sub account. So this means that in your sub account, this is your sub account for example you have several sub accounts. So right now I've set up two sub accounts. So if I go to, I'm in my agency dashboard. So these are my sub accounts. So if I go to my manage client sub account, so go to feature limit. So there's an option usage limit here. So there's a user limit and contact limit. So this means that your sub account can only create, for example, 20 users, and contact which means on their phone for the conversations, they can only add 1000 contacts. So so if you go to your sub account drug bros gamefall, I will go to my sub account. So under settings and then my stuff, so in this section you can only add 20 phones, 20 users. And then on your phone number, you can only add 1000. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.